Alright, welcome back to Opio's laboratory. This is a quick one. Just needed to show you how I normally place the screen on the Samsung J6. At times it shares its screen with the J4 Plus, which is a bit interesting. This was the old screen. I tried to do a screen separation on it, but the problem is the touch was already too faulty, and that leaves me with this. Now I already tested the screen, and all that was remaining is me securing it onto the frame. I think, let me show you how it looks like, but I think if you've seen the other one, that's how it looks like. And this basically plugs in right there, and when it plugs in right there, you are able to test the screen. But this is how it gets out. You don't need to take apart the entire phone, that's not necessary. So all that you have to do is apply adhesive around the peripheries, and then also around this, and then bring the two together. Of course, there's a lock mechanism that keeps this fiber in place, and that's for another day. But then this comes into place like that, and after that I can hit the power button. I think it still has charge. Okay, it's the J6 Plus, and it's booting up. This screen was under $30, and I think it's something that anyone can afford, most of for a phone of this caliber. I think it has 32 GB internal and 3 GB of RAM, running I think Android 8 or 9, and then the camera 13 megapixels, which is alright. So that's this phone for you. Please do hit the subscribe button and come here to learn repairs both as a hobby and as a business. And today Nathan is not around, so I thought I would just show you this. And when I unlock, I'm trying to increase the brightness so both display and the touch work. And yeah, so I think I'm just going to bring in messages and then test the touch further for you. Okay, so keyboard, and the touch responds pretty well. Okay, I think it's a worthy phone. I think let me launch its camera and see how it performs. Okay, launching the camera up, it takes its time, and that's how much it is doing, so not bad. Anyway, see you in the next video. That's just a highlight of how I would replace this screen. So for now, let me power it down and then put it aside. I do not have adhesive, I need to buy. That's why I'm unable to do this. Yeah, but then we'll record the entire process when we do it. Alright, thank you. See you.